Hey everyone, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions of the Makeup by Mario x Sephora brush collection. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. All right, guys, I know I'm a little late to the game on this. We've had a lot going on, blah, blah, blah. But here is dun 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 dun. Oh my gosh! Planned on getting this collection. I wanted the full set. I mean, who wouldn't? It's such a great value, and it does come with an extra brush. And I waited thinking, oh, I can just wake up leisurely the day after Christmas, hang out, eventually go online and buy it. When I tell you it was 10 a.m. and I went online and it was sold out in the United States, girl, we had some problems. I called my local Sephora and they had 3 left. So I literally said, put one on hold, I'm coming. I've obviously already seen these, but I didn't want to do like a full review video without actually using the brushes. So I think that will be in a separate video to come. And see, this is literally untouched how it comes. I did take this little plastic part off to touch this one. Little picture of Mario on the top and his signature in gold. I think it's so pretty. I'll read you guys what it says in the box. It says, I'm so excited to share with you my limited edition brush sets in collaboration with Sephora. I've worked tirelessly to perfect each brush in this collection and I can't wait for you to try them all. I hope you love this special collection as much as I do. XO Mario. So sweet. They're labeled as to what they're for, but obviously we know we can use brushes for a lot of different things. The packaging's so classic because this looks kind of like the case that it comes with for the brushes. This is the contouring slant brush. And as you guys can see, I mean, it's just so gorgeous. These brushes, you guys, they are so soft. And it's almost like velvety at the same time. I don't know how. I've never felt a synthetic brush feel like this before. I'll also say the weight of the brush itself is not super heavy and it's not super light. It's just right in between. It like feels nice in your hand. Love the little gold Makeup by Mario x Sephora, and it's just so pretty. I mean, who doesn't like to look at a brush set and smile based off of what it looks like? I don't know how they did this with this synthetic hair. It's kind of insane. It's just really gorgeous, you guys. Go ahead and I'll pull the plastic off another one of these. So this is the standard contouring brush compared to the contour slant. I can't wait. This is going to be so good for under eye even and getting into cheeks. The thickness of these, it's like, oh my God, they're just so beautiful. I'm so impressed. Ooh, they sound nice. ASMR. Just kidding. So this is the powder brush. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is my actually first time feeling this powder brush, and it is like a cloud. Soft, the way it moves. It's like, I could like stare at this forever. I wish you guys could feel these through the camera. It is like insane. Powder detail. I am like so excited. I feel like these brushes are honestly really gonna step up my makeup game and the tutorials that I have on the way for you, if you only know. So while I'm kind of pulling these all out for you, why don't I pull out the actual case that they come in so I can place them in there. Here is the case. It says Makeup by Mario x Sephora on it. And it has this little latch that you can twist like this to keep it together. And when you open it, you've got all these spaces for your brushes here and then the little pocket beneath to make sure they're tucked in well. This case is a great size for travel too, for me personally. Ooh, I like how tight the actual holder is for the brushes. Like they are not gonna go anywhere no matter how much this moves around like they are in place. All right, so I'm gonna really quickly take all of the plastic off the rest of the brushes so I can kind of go through them, show you them, and talk more about it. Next up is the powder detail brush, and this one, again, feels amazing. I love how this is tapered just right, again, to get under the eye or even kind of in the nose area. I think this one is beautiful. Then we have the foundation brush. This one is such a nice density to really buff out. Love how these brushes move too. They're really controlled, which I think is gonna make for a really nice application. This one is called the cheek brush. And the cheek brush is very unique. It's almost gets kind of puffier as it comes out here. They're all sized really nicely so that what you're applying is really controlled. This one here is the highlight brush. It's a really nice size, and you can see how nicely these work for the areas that they're designed for. This is the concealer brush, and what I love about these brushes is how well they will work for the areas they're designed for, but also how you can use them for other things. This you could use to really pack on a glitter on the eye, even various cleanup areas. This is the blending brush, perfect for your crease area. I cannot believe just how these feel and move. It's like each time I'm touching them, I'm like, oh, I just love how these feel and how they move, you guys. I can't wait to play with these. So we also have the detail brush. It's kind of like a little pencil brush, but honestly, I could see myself doing this for like nose highlight, inner corner. This one is called the shadow brush. Could see myself using this for eyes or even nose contour. I think it would be really good for that too. This one might be one that I'm most excited about. It's called the smudge brush. I just love the thickness of it and the density. It's going to be perfect for really detailing and kind of creating that signature soft and smoky defined look that he's so known for. So then lastly, we have the brow brush here, and this is beautiful for pomades, powders, etc. All of the brushes in the actual case itself. They fit so nicely and it folds up so nicely, keeps everything intact. And here we are, voila. This actually looks like a really cute clutch, not gonna lie. This is amazing. It is gonna travel so nicely. This would look nice on anybody's vanity. Just overall packaging and look of the brushes is so elegant and sleek and very refined. You know, it's not overpowering, not doing the most. So let's get into value of these brushes. I'm sad to say at this point in time, to my knowledge, the master brush set collection, which is what I have, is unfortunately sold out in the United States, online at least. It might exist in some stores that I don't know about. From what I understand though, it is pretty much sold out in store as well. And I'm not sure if they're going to be restocking or not. I mean, it is limited edition. It did sell out literally within hours after it was released, so I don't know that they were expecting such a demand necessarily. But I mean, it was priced at $119 for 14 brushes. I mean, that's kind of an insane value, especially at this caliber of brush and quality, I should say. The good thing is, if you are in the market for new brushes, you can actually still purchase the individual sets. So the eye brush set, which includes 5 eye brushes that I showed you, that retails for $49, and then the complexion set retails for $69, and that includes all of the complexion brushes in the concealer brush except for the contour brush. So there's a contour and then the slanted contour. One contour brush is only available in the full brush set. So really, you're spending about the same amount if you buy each of the brush sets individually, the complexion and the eye set. The only thing that you're not getting is going to be that one specific contour brush. However, if you're in the market for new brushes, I would absolutely take advantage of this while they are out there on the market. I have tried a lot of synthetic makeup brushes in my life. Honestly, nothing compares in terms of value and quality just based off of what I'm seeing and touching and feeling in front of me. Not only that, but like the actual shape and job that I believe the brushes are going to do. What I'm saying is you have to keep in mind the artistry and the craftsmanship that has gone into the creation of these brushes, because Mario Dedivanovic is a world-renowned celebrity makeup artist, and all of his years of experience, truly hands-on experience, is what has given him the ability to bring together his signature look of that sexy, soft, beautiful, truly gorgeous makeup look that he delivers on every single face, bringing out the best of women's natural features. And these brushes have been created with that in mind. He himself has used these tools and continues to. He's created a tool that he actually uses to create those looks. During the masterclass Chicago that I went to last year, he was showing us something using a brush, and then all of a sudden he was like, oh, no, you guys can't see this, and he like ran backstage and took the brush backstage and came back with a different brush. And we were all kind of like, what is he talking about? He's like, just wait, very soon you guys will be able to see what I'm talking about. Just stay tuned, guys, just stay tuned. So basically leading on that he would be coming out with this brush collection. A few months after that, he then announced the creation. So, you know, he truly uses these tools. They are created with his master skills in mind and use. In my opinion, what you're paying for is more than just the brushes themselves. You're paying for his artistry and kind of innovation that has gone into the creation of this technology of these brushes. So you're not really just paying for the brushes, you're paying for him, for his experience, all of this in the making. In my opinion, it is such a good value. If you guys are in the market to buy new brushes, I would absolutely, hands down, purchase these brushes, you guys. Buy the 2 individual sets. You're still getting them at a great value, just minus 1 brush. I promise you, if you haven't bought these brushes by the time they go out of stock, because they are limited edition, you will be kicking yourself. They are a one-of-a-kind product. There is nothing like them on the market. This has been my unboxing and first impressions of the Makeup by Mario x Sephora Master Brush collection and set. I do plan on doing a video totally separate of me actually using the brushes and doing a full face with them and giving you my honest review about it. I will link the brush sets that are available in my description box in case you're interested in buying them. I seriously recommend that you guys go out and buy these brushes. Make sure if you're not buying them online that you do call your local Sephora, because not all Sephoras are retailing these brushes, and many of them have actually completely sold out of all of the brush sets. There's never really such thing as a wasted trip to Sephora, but you know, in case that's what you're specifically looking for. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and please support your girl in 2020 by subscribing to my YouTube channel. It means the world to me to have your support, and my little YouTube family is growing. So we will soon hit the 2.5K mark. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!